Hello travelers, this episode is packed with useful travel advice to make you plan smarter and travel better. Every trip is a chance to learn something new, not just about the world, but about yourself. These tips will make your journey smart and safe. 1. Use a pill organizer for small essentials such as vitamins, earrings, SIM cards, or medicine, and it's easy to access. 2. Pack solid toiletries, your shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and solid perfumes. Use Google Translate camera feature. It instantly translates signs, menus, and packaging just by pointing your camera. 4. Pack a few safety pins, great for securing zippers or attaching things in a pinch. And lastly, use a travel credit card with no foreign transaction fees. It saves money and earn rewards while spending abroad. Travel smarter with travel.org, your partner in making every journey smooth and informed. Don't forget to follow us at Travelism on all social media platforms, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.